Hello. In this video, we will take you through the steps of editing your PDF printable. Let's get started. Upon checkout, download all files associated with your order. For help downloading your files, please see our tutorial linked below. Please note, if you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed, you must download this free program to avoid any text formatting or saving issues. The link to download Acrobat Reader is listed on Tumbalina's Etsy page. Once you have Acrobat Reader installed, open the application and select File. Select Open from the drop-down menu and find your downloaded file. Once the file is loaded in Acrobat Reader, begin editing the highlighted sections. Just input names, dates, addresses, and more. If you want to change the font, highlight the text and press Command-E on your keyboard, Control-E for PC users. This will prompt a toolbar to come up. Using the toolbar, you will be able to edit font size, style, color, and even paragraph styles. When you are done editing, be sure to save your file. Just like that, you are all ready to print your custom file. For a tutorial on printing your file, see the link below. And be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks from Tumbalina Studio.